can have it definitely, but we decided we'd try to get like 10 people to go and get 2 condos or something.
I'll be there.
Fun.
I'd love to come. We need to do a little bit of housekeeping.
Oh, you know how to cook? What's the tray for?
What are you doing there, Barn?
I am cleaning the basil.
Rosemary and thyme.
The basil.
Are you
Odd looking basil, isn't it?
Okay, thank you.
I might get
back at the gourmet guy.
Back at the home front.
I'm so confused at how
Barney
you
is, Barney's confused.
Thanks very much, I appreciate it.
Barney's working on the pipeline.
It's got 2 screens in it, though.
It's got 2 screens.
Don't
Well,
use the one on the top.
okay. I'm going to turn this off now.
Fling logs, he was rolling a fire.
It was huge. It was huge.
Well,
It was 3 days. It was 3 days in the making.
excuse me while I try this new form of insulin. Hold on. What are you laughing at? There's this new thing on insulin. You don't have to inject yourself. Thank God.
God, your daughter just doesn't have to take care of a pipe, Robert. I mean, look at this.
You raised her
Look
wrong.
at this. This is such. Oh my goodness! Look how much this resonated. We could eat this and stay staying for a week. Commander Vale. Yes, who's calling, please?
I hope it's not for me.
Oh, will you hold on one sec, please? Thanks.
Not for